Hello guys, Agent Warrior 97 here. Today we are cleaning out the PC that does it all. We have a tutorial, we aren't just total idiots trying to do this on our own. But,
sticky now.
Trying to get this thing cleaned out because as of right now it's a tiny bit too dusty.
Fans wouldn't spin up.
Fans wouldn't spin? Yeah, okay. Yep, that's not it. So anyway, I'm just going to be doing, I'm just going to take a picture step by step so we can backtrack, look back on the pictures as we're reassembling it. This guy's probably going to say something about it anyway, but yeah, that's what we're doing today, and that's why I haven't uploaded.
One up there. Just show
I'm recording, dude.
Okay,
Can you see there? Maybe a tiny bit. Anyway, yeah, that's insanely dusty.
take a picture of it. Did you get the fans up front?
Can you? I don't think you can really. Yeah, you can't really
No, I
see.
mean from
Camera doesn't fit in there, but. Yeah, this is we got the front of the case off, but it's connected in a couple spots. Screws?
Yeah.
This is an issue. Instead of trying
to
take it off, we've decided to try to disconnect the wire, and it's not going well.
It's going well for disconnecting it.
Yeah, disconnecting. Reconnecting is going to be a bit of an issue. Hold on, let me get a picture real quick, Victor.
I'm trying to figure out which one it is.
Okay, we got the inside of this all cleaned out, and I'm going to reconnect all of this stuff. Not put it back on yet, though, because Victor's going to go get some compressed air to clean out the rest of this. We did some mild vacuuming, but this dude said not to use it for the radiator.
Sorry,
What?
all my socks are in the wash.
Oh my goodness. He said not to use it for the motherboard or anything, so we're gonna try to get some compressed air, sheesh, and get that done. But I'm gonna set up a spot outside soon for the compressed air cleaning. I think it's going well so far. We had to reconnect something that we disconnected because like it didn't actually need to be disconnected, so ah yes. We'll be using the vacuum. And now we vacuum the case because Victor's still trying to get in there. I just skipped Victor, okay? That's it. I feel as if we could also maybe clean this off with just a normal paper towel as well.
What?
Just the case.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
Make sure it's dry all the way.
Cause this doesn't. I think this might be clogged slightly somewhere up the hose. I'm not sure. Anyway.
No.
What? Wow, that was timed to the music. You dropped a screw as the okay, yeah. The power of the toothbrush is great. Toothbrush.
There's screws over here, not on the other side.
Yeah. It doesn't quite add up.
Also, same size?
Same size as the
Yes.
other ones? Cool. Okay, what do we got in here?
And
Is
you
that-
have
hold
this,
on.
which is a graphics card,
Is that the
I think?
graphics card?
Maybe.
I don't remember what this is. Samsung, what the heck? I think I remember that being the graphics card, but I don't know what a graphics card looks like, so I've forgotten. It's literally been over a year since I've opened this thing. I was supposed to clean it every 6 months. Dang, I'm really bad at remembering. Graphics card is back in. It got partially cleaned. We're gonna try to do the rest of it with compressed air later on because we don't have that. So it didn't get too clean. Just we kind of cleaned out the fans a bit, but
I'm putting the
not too
memory
well.
card in right now.
Yeah, Victor's putting the memory card in, so. Okay, it's been a couple days. My uncle's over here right now, and he brought his air compressor, so we took out the graphics card, and we're getting ready to actually properly clean this thing. Buddy, cut it out! Anyway, I'll try recording that when they bring it inside. There, I'm getting. Okay, we're at 100, or nearly at 100. Just probably a couple more seconds, and then this thing will be ready to go, and we can get started. Okay, here we go. Looks brand new. Hey, I don't have to yell anymore. Very nice. Graphics card. Clean too. It's all very much ready to do some gaming, and we'll do a test run in a moment as soon as we put the graphics card back in and
Get it hooked up.
yeah. Hold on, where's the hard drive?
Hard drive? Oh, that's underneath the motherboard.
No, I mean like, oh sheesh, not
Oh,
that.
the memory.
The memory, yeah.
Here.
Oh, it's on the
Wait,
thing. Okay.
Just put it.
This is how it usually sounds on startup.
I mean,
Hopefully
squeakier
it won't
than
get
this.
like 10 times worse. Oh, you had the monitor off?
Yes, because those are the weird flashing things.
It is sounding better. Yeah, comparing this account. Well, no, it still sounds the same.
Yeah.
So we found the problem, like the reason it's making this noise is unfortunately the actual graphics card fan, and we need to get that replaced, so yeah, that has nothing to do with the dust. It might have just a bit, but like that, the noise is all due to the graphics card fan, and yeah, we're now looking for a replacement, so that's just wonderful. Anyway, I guess that's just that's it for now, because there's nothing we can do about this just at this very moment, so I guess, yeah, that's it.